angels, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting for me. As you guys already saw by the intro and the title of today's video, I'm bringing you guys along to show you my decision making skills. I'm joking. It's me getting ready for a new school year, so let's just get straight into it and I'll explain exactly what we're going to be doing. So here's my backpack. I'm not going to be showing you guys inside of it because I did a back to school haul where I show it inside everything, so it will be linked in the eye for you guys. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what I'm going to be bringing for the new school year, because I'm pretty sure my school we're not going to be using lockers, so I have to bring everything in this backpack. So let's see what exactly I'm going to figure out and what I'm going to do. And I think I'm going to start off with my notebooks. If you hear creaking, those are my floors. But anyways, so these are all the notebooks I've decided to use for this year. If you're wondering why there's so many, let me explain. So I have two different types of notebooks. I have a college ruled notebook from Up&Up, and then I have this one, I think it's from the dollar store, but I'm still gonna use it. And then I have another Up&Up one from Mead. Oh, this is from Mead, a college ruled one that just has like this type of. This one's actually plastic, this one's like paper. So these notebooks I'm going to be using for in-class notes since they're more durable and I can take them everywhere. And then these ones I have decided to take them like change my notes and turn them into like beautiful notes. So these are the two notebooks I'm going to be using. This one's going to be for school, like for at home. This one's going to be for school. So I need to label them and then show you guys everything. So what I'm going to be deciding is each color is a different class. So these are going to be my class notebooks and these ones are going to be my home notes. So they're going to be like nicer notes, basically what I'm trying to say. So here's a time lapse of me just labeling everything. Oh, let me show you my labeling. This is my Dymo. I don't really know how to say it, but this is my thing. I will again link it down, everything down below in my Amazon link like I usually do. I'm just gonna be using the clear tape one and then put it on the side. Since it already has like some type of lettering, I'll just put it on the side right here. Okay guys, so now that I finished labeling all of my notebooks, I'm going to put the ones that I'm going to take to school inside my backpack. So let's do that for you guys. So again, my backpack, taking this one, not this one, this one, not this one, this one, not this one, this one, not this one. What I will probably end up doing is putting it in the chronological order, meaning like what all my classes are on. So I think my first class is history. There are a couple classes that I am going to be taking that don't need like a whole notebook, like orchestra, Avid, things like that. Avid, we do take notes, but I will probably end up using like a loose leaf paper or something like that in my binder. So we will see what it is. So let me just put them in order for my classes and then I will get back to you guys. Okay, so I put them in order, figured out what my classes are. So I'm taking history and Spanish every other day. So I put history the first day of school. I have history first and then Spanish is the next day. So I'll probably end up switching the notebooks back and forth. Then I have science, English, and algebra in that order every single day, and then some of my classes in between. So I'm just gonna put that in my backpack and then we're gonna move on to the next thing I want to put in there. Next thing I decided to do I'm honestly obsessed with this backpack. So I put all the notebooks in, and they're so like deep in that I feel like I could fit my binder in here, but usually I just carry it, so I might not do that. Next thing is super easy. We're just gonna pop this open, put in my pencil case. Ta-da. I love the feeling of like a full backpack. I really don't like when my backpack feels like empty. So I feel like now it's looking pretty good. So next I want to set up my binder. Easy steps. So if you guys didn't see my back to school haul, again, I already linked it in the eye. But I will link my back to school like video series that I did with all of my back to school videos. So I got an Avery binder. These are my favorites. I decided to get my own even if Avid provided because they didn't have the easy. I'm just gonna pop in all of these. Okay, so it has 8. So we could do one for each class. Honestly, Avid kind of has like a way for you to put all of your classes in and a certain formatting for all your tabs. So I'm not going to label them yet. I will probably label them when I actually take Avid and they tell me how to label everything. I think if I remember correctly, we had like a homework tab. We had a tab for each of our classes. So we will see, obviously, because they might like change it this year, but love the colors, love the rainbowness. Looks super good. I'm glad it doesn't have pink because I don't like pink. So that's everything I'm gonna do with my binder. Ta-da. I kind of want to experiment now. I'm gonna keep these, but I feel like I'm just gonna use my label maker and put them directly on the tab. Let's experiment and put my binder in my backpack. I really don't think it's gonna fit with all the notebooks, but let's see, you guys. Oh my gosh, it fits. My only concern is it was really hard to put, I feel like it's harder to put in than take out. So it fits. Beautiful. Let me take this off too. So satisfying. Oh, I love this backpack so far. Again, I will tell you at the end of the school year what I think. I think that's everything I'm gonna put. I am getting a laptop, so I'll probably put in a clip of me inserting my laptop in here. But I don't know if it's gonna fit in this mesh thing. I feel like it's not gonna fit because it's a Mac. My school gives out Macs, so I don't know, you guys. This is made in Cambodia. Okay, so I'm back. So I figured it out. So I have 3 folders that I haven't labeled that are just plain white that I'm gonna put in and take to school. Just because I want to be prepared. And then on my, like the little mesh thing, instead of putting my computer for now, I'm just gonna put these things. A colored pencil, they're sharpened already in case I have a project. Some flags for notebooks and textbooks and things like that. So I have some thinner ones and some thicker ones. I might actually just put them in this one instead. This really, yeah, let's put it in here. Just ended up putting it behind the pencil case so that I could take out the pencil case a lot easier than like putting it in here. And then, ta-da. I don't know what else to put in my backpack, to be honest with you guys. So if I find something else to put in here, I probably will. Wait, where's my old backpack? I had something in there, I probably need it. Oh, I got an idea. I'm gonna put in a face mask, an extra one, even though I probably will end up using a different one, but you can always be safer than sorry. I will probably end up putting some hand sanitizer in here too. Hand sanitizer. I'll probably put that on after every class. So maybe instead of putting it in here, I'll shove it down here. So I have this pencil case full of extra supplies. I have been looking for these scissors forever. I really don't know why I put them in here. So these are all of my extra supplies. I'll probably just shove them at the very bottom of my pencil of my backpack for now. Let's just shove that down there. Okay, so So my backpack is super full and really nice. I think that's honestly everything I'm gonna put in here, but. So this is like a little emergency kit, it's a makeup kit. I'm gonna put everything I need in here and then figure out what I would do after that. Okay, so I think this is the last thing I'm gonna put. So I have girl stuff, I have lip balms, bobby pins, glasses cleaners if I need them, if I ever want to wear glasses, and I have a mirror, even though I will be carrying my phone. And I think I'm just gonna try to put it in this side pocket. So let me give you a rundown and then we can finish this video off. So in the middle I have 5 notebooks, all of the subject ones. I have 3 white folders just in case, and then I have my extra pencil case with full of supplies. Then on the sides I have my girl emergency kit and hand sanitizer. I think I'm gonna put it on this side also, just so that it like pops up a little bit. There we go. And then in here we have my actual pencil case, a mask, some tabs, and colored pencils. So I think that's everything I'm going to put in my backpack for now. Again, I probably will put in extra stuff like my lunch. I usually just eat like a protein bar, so I'll put that on the side. My laptop, I really don't know how I'm going to put it in. I feel like I might put it in this mesh thing if it fits. But I think that's everything I'm going to take for the first day of school and the first school year. That is literally everything. Zoom you guys out a little bit so you guys can see the full view. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below if you guys are going to school in person or online, and also what you guys are putting in your backpacks and how you're getting prepared for school. I know that I will be adding more stuff to my backpack as I get closer to September 8th, which is when I start school. By the time you guys actually see this, it'll probably already have passed. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. So make sure you guys subscribe and like this video and comment down below what you guys want to see next and anything you guys want to really talk about, because I'm always open for your guys' suggestions. So thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for next Sunday's video because I promise you guys it will be an amazing one. Bye guys.